Hey everyone, welcome back to Levels of Styles with Sandra. Today we are on week 6 of Love Your Home Challenge hosted by Marilyn over at Cozy Lifestyle Living, and we are to do our walls and windows and share our little tips if we have any. Well, mine for my walls, and I pretty much have showed you how I done cleaned my upper staircase wall and in my living room and other places, but I've never shared with you this wall right here. And this wall just basically have different size circular mirrors on it. So I basically clean it with my Fabuloso and my cleaning vinegar. Make me a nice hot soapy water and just use some of my cloths and to wash. And I'm going to demonstrate and clean it. It is needing a good clean, and I will clean my baseboards as well. And then I will move on and share with you how I clean my windows. And if you follow me, you have seen that as well on my channel too. So with that being said, we are going to get into the video. And one more thing before we go, if you are new to the channel, I'd love to welcome you. If you're a returning subscriber, you know I appreciate your continuous support. And if you are not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing. Hit your notification bell so you can receive all notifications each and every time I upload. And let's get into this video. Yeah. But as you can see, guys, we are over here in my dining room, and I'm going to demonstrate how I clean this window. Basically, the same 2 ingredients I use for my front window, my mirror wall is basically the same thing I use for my window in here. So let's get started.